1 in 10 workers were out sick in January. That eye-popping number from Statistics Canada giving us the first look at the Omicron wave's impact on the labour market. Once again, the most vulnerable were hardest hit.
Those low-wage workers are still very unlikely to have paid sick leave, and so they're more likely to be off sick, but less likely to be paid for.
The Canadian economy lost 200,000 jobs in January. The unemployment rate climbed to 6.5%, up from 6% in December, as fresh restrictions during the Omicron wave kicked in. Most of January's job losses were in Ontario and Quebec, the two provinces with the strictest COVID measures. No surprise, most of the losses were in hospitality, with sports arenas, restaurants, and other venues shut down or restricted.
And now we think that people are going to want to return to the hospitality industry with zero job security.
Chair Decor supplies linens and accessories for weddings. Revenue dries up every time COVID restrictions take effect. Owner Liz Clark says staffing is her biggest challenge. Many workers have left the hospitality and food services sector after rounds of layoffs and uncertainty.
A lot of workers have found jobs in other industries, and we can understand why, because they all have rent to pay, they have families, and they need a little bit more stability.
Canada still has nearly 1 million job vacancies, and this economist says immigration needs to be a priority to help fill that void. But with labour shortages around the world, workers have a lot of options.
Canada risks losing out on talent, on workers in healthcare, in food services, and transportation that we really desperately need.
Combine inflation running hotter than the Bank of Canada's target, with a labour market losing momentum, and most economists expect the smallest of rate hikes from the Bank of Canada in early March. Anne Gaviola, Global News, Toronto.